Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw a Pokeball. Well, from like Pokemon cards and stuff like that. But we're going to draw a Pokeball. So first, you simply just draw a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you can do it any way you want it. So next, you just draw like a circle in the middle, like that. You can also draw like that. And for the middle part, like this part, you can draw that. And for more detail, you can just draw like little lines right here. And like a circle in the middle, and then a circle in the middle. And lines around that. But we are also gonna draw like, like the, not really the Pokemon logo, but like for the Pokemon cards on the back, they like have like little swirly things around them. You can draw that for detail if you want. You can draw like that for detail if you want. Draw that for detail, but also you can draw like little lines around the Pokeball. Yeah, that's pretty much for detail too. But that is how to draw a Pokeball from Pokemon. And that is the end of the video.